Hello guys, welcome back to Job and Tech Updates YouTube channel. So before getting into today's video, if you have visited our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. And also I'll be posting all the latest job updates for both freshers and experienced on daily basis. So I would recommend you to subscribe our channel so that you'll get an immediate notification and thereby it will be easy for you to apply right away before it expires. So now let's get into today's video. So today we have come up with one of the best job opportunity from Google for position software engineer for 2022 passed out. Also experienced or eligible to apply for this role. And the locations would be Bangalore or Hyderabad. And an added advantage is that here you'll be given an opportunity to select either of these locations. So either Bangalore or Hyderabad, you can select them while applying for this job and you'll get posted in those particular locations. And coming to qualifications, all bachelor's degree or experienced people are eligible to apply for this, and you should have experience on working with Unix or Linux, Windows or Mac environments, distributed systems, machine learning, information retrieval, and TCP or IP. So all experienced people, it's good that if you have experience on all these technologies, and for freshers you should have some good amount of knowledge on all these technologies. Also you should have good knowledge or experience in C, C++, Java or Python. So most of these technologies would have covered in your academics. So you need not worry about that. And also all master's degree or PhD are also eligible to apply for this besides bachelor's degree. So that's about qualification. And coming to responsibilities. So research, conceive and develop software applications to extend and improve on Google's product offering. So that means you should be able to work with your coding knowledge in order to develop Google's products and contribute to a wide variety of projects utilizing natural language processing, artificial intelligence, data compression, machine learning and search technologies. So after seeing all these, once you get placed in projects, you'll really have a good scope to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is really good for your career growth. So that's a very quick information about this role. So all freshers like 2022 passed outs and also experienced are eligible to apply for this role. And let's see how you're going to apply for this. Just click on apply. So here is you have to upload your latest resume, then give your contact details. So here you should give your legal name, so which appears on your official documents like Aadhaar card or PAN card or your driver's license. And also you can give your preferred name and all your address details here and your phone number. And if you are from master's degree, just click on yes and fill all your relevant details. And if you're from bachelor's degree, click on no. And if you have some work experience, that means if you are working in some company, give all your current company details like your company name, job title and your join date, etc. And if this is your first job, click on yes and you give your preferred locations like Hyderabad or Bangalore. So as discussed before, here you can give all your preferred location, that is Bangalore or Hyderabad. So once you fill all these relevant details, click on next and fill some more relevant details and apply for this role. And coming to salary, so for this role, Google is going to offer you 10 lakhs per annum. So even more than that you'll be offered. So that's a start for this role. So that's a very quick information about this role from Google today. And also you can refer to other coding and non-coding related jobs in our channel. I'll also mention in the description. So please do check that as well and apply if you are eligible for those roles. And if you find this video informative, just like and subscribe our channel for all the latest job updates and SAP S4HANA tutorials. Thank you.